Congratulations on the purchase of your OneFlow Plus system. You are only a few simple steps away from enjoying great tasting water that will keep your plumbing system free of hard-scale deposits. Before beginning any work, please read and understand the installation manual and safety warnings provided with your product. This video should be used in conjunction with and never in place of published installation materials. Let's start by verifying the contents of your OneFlow Plus system. You should have received the OneFlow Plus housing along with the OneFlow Plus head assembly and pressure relief valve. Inside the filter housing, pre-installed, you'll find the outlet connector, a 20-micron carbon filter, and a OneFlow Plus cartridge. Two 1-inch MPT threaded adapters, two locking pins, a mounting bracket, and a multifunction tool. If you are missing any part of your system after unboxing, please contact Watt's customer service before proceeding.